The new SLS Barcelona is transforming the Port Fòrum marina into the city's latest must-visit destination. Glamorous, maximalist design frames rooftop pool parties at Cosmico, wood-fired Mediterranean dining at Laura, and a late-night cocktail and DJ scene from the lobby to the infinity pools. The SLS approach to hospitality has always favored spectacle over restraint, and their Barcelona debut delivers exactly that. While downtown Barcelona bustles, 15 minutes away, here you'll find space to breathe and be seen doing it. Your room becomes a private theater of its own. Floor-to-ceiling wardrobes line the entrance vestibule, while a smoky marble minibar stocks everything from premium spirits to crispy pineapple treats. The bathroom reveals itself through sliding doors, presenting a double vanity surrounded by hammered metal and contemporary Venetian mirror. Separate shower and WC areas hide behind ribbed vintage glass, while Ortigia Florio amenities from Italy add authentic luxury. Even the bathrobes tell a story, embroidered with SLS's iconic duck alongside butterflies and dragonflies. But the real action happens beyond your balcony. Cosmico Rooftop commands the skyline with twin infinity pools and a soundtrack provided by resident DJs. When hunger calls, Laura provides the answer through chef Justin Collinge's modern Mediterranean kitchen. The South African chef draws inspiration from every Mediterranean shore, from North Africa to the Levant, Iberian Peninsula to Italian islands. Watch flames dance in the open kitchen's wood-fired grills as dishes emerge with smoke and soul. Start with warm cabana bread and a selection of dips including the standout spinach biryani with caramelized onions and pistachio. The chicken and apricot tagine arrives fragrant with Berber spices, its heat balanced by cooling yogurt and fresh coriander. Sommelier Daniela guides wine pairings that might include Lebanese bottles to complement the Middle Eastern influences. For a more casual approach, Lanksova Divina celebrates Barcelona's tapas culture with pinchos, small plates, and the essential afternoon vermouth ritual. The informal space captures the city's social dining spirit, perfect for grazing from lunch through late night. The area pulses with development energy, new beach clubs, rooftops, and dining venues signal the district's evolution into Barcelona's next social hub. SLS sits at the center of this transformation, its rooftop parties and late-night energy helping to establish the area's new identity.